Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I just wanted to announce my pregnancy finally. So I finally want to announce my pregnancy. I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys like, oh my gosh, you're glowing, you look so beautiful. And someone was asking me, was I pregnant? And I'm like, I'm just not going to answer it. I'm just going to leave it there. But I want to announce my pregnancy, and I'm going to start making regular videos just talking about my pregnancy also. So on Mondays is the day I want to plan on posting things about my pregnancy, only because now I'm actually 21 weeks, so I'm more than halfway there. And every Monday I gain another week. So I want to start just basically just tracking my progress. You can see I've been getting up there. I've been growing some, right? But I want to just start like talking about it more, you guys. So now that I'm actually 21 weeks, so for other women that's out there probably watching this because you're probably 21 weeks, I want to kind of talk about like my past in terms of the past 20 weeks. And then we'll talk more about like the 21 week mark today, like where I'm at today. So when I first found out, well, before I even found out I was pregnant, I was like, okay, listen, we had the agreement. If it's a girl, babe, I get to name her. And if it's a boy, you get to name them. So then we was going through the process, like, okay, we're not going to do anything. If we get pregnant naturally, we get pregnant naturally, right? And we got pregnant right away. We definitely got pregnant right away. And oh my gosh, the nausea came like crazy. I had bought some wristbands to put on, some nausea bands. I bought those to put it on my wrist because I just did not know what to do. I just could not survive. It felt like it was just so horrible. I bought those. I tried to do like the ginger and tea drops. The little, not drops, I shouldn't say that. The little candy you can put in your mouth. I tried those. I think those kind of helped some. I made sure that I ate some too, because if I was hungry, I got really nauseous. So I made sure I ate, but the nausea was just crazy in the beginning. I just tried to just lay low, should I say. I just try not to do too much. I was trying to be nice to myself too, knowing that, listen, you're pregnant and the beginning part is going to be crazy. This is not my first time. I already have 4 children, so I already know what it's like. Like, literally, I already know what it's like. But the nausea was so crazy in the beginning, and everything started growing. So when you're pregnant, you can expect your boobs to grow. So I'm already like busting out of my bras now. So I'm already in the process. I already bought some sports bras to replace them. But now I have to replace like my cute bras. The bras that you want to wear out, want to be cute in. I have to replace those now. But I'm through that. I'm at that stage now where, I can't just wait anymore. In the beginning, I was like, okay, I'm just going to just, see what I can do. See if I can make it. But boobs start growing like crazy. And if you're pregnant, it's kind of going to be TMI, because I want to be very honest in everything I say to you guys. So it's going to be very TMI if you're not a woman. You're watching this. But I bought some new sports bras. So if you guys are pregnant, maybe you want to just go ahead and get your sports bras if you haven't already. Like, just get them. Seriously. Go ahead and get your sports bra. You're going to have to change that out. All of that you thought you were going to be able to keep, whatever you had before, you got to change that out now. And another thing I realized too is I had to change my clothes. Now, so far I gained 7 pounds. So far I gained 7 pounds. It's 21 weeks. But still, I feel thicker in other places. Like, definitely, like, in this section, you can see my belly is getting huge, right? Like, this ain't just no overnight. But definitely, I just bought some more clothes because I can't really fit anything. So I just bought some more clothes. I was in a medium before, but I'm buying large now. And even some of the largest, I can't get them over like my butt. So yeah, I feel like I'm gaining most of my weight like at my lower, in the lower, and probably up here at the top. But I know that a lot of that too is going to be water weight. So after I had a baby, a lot of that stuff is going to go away. Now when it came out to the baby's kind of been chill. I felt my first kicks, I'll say like 17 weeks. It's a little bitty baby kick. And then I have too, I had like a for my previous pregnancy, I had like a kit so you can listen to the baby's heartbeat. So I'm going to make sure I insert that for you guys here. But this was the actual baby's heartbeat, and it was so exciting. Now, I haven't listened to the baby's heartbeat that much. I actually listened to it, I think, twice by myself. And then I listened to it once with the kids. I think I've listened to it with Babe too. But I don't use it that much. It's exciting in the beginning, like when you first get pregnant, trying to find it. I think you gotta wait until you like 12 weeks to start listening to trying to find that heartbeat. But I think I've done that, yeah, like 4 times so far. Now, you know, when you get further along in your pregnancy, you want to find out what you are having. I already find out what I'm having, but I don't want to talk about it right now. I don't want to go over all of that right now, but I am going to tell you guys later on. I'm going to do a gender reveal for you guys and for my family too, because I kind of haven't really told anybody. You probably the first ones to know YouTube, seriously. I don't even think, I haven't directly told mom even yet. She's going to find out right now. I haven't even directly told her yet, but I'm definitely going to do a gender reveal later on so you guys can see the gender of the baby. Now, when it comes down to, like, have you got anything for the baby? Because I was telling babe, like, we need to get some stuff for the baby. Like, I bought some diapers for the kids because my 4-year-old, she's a girl, she has a baby doll. So she's been putting these newborn diapers because she loves to do that. She's been putting on her baby alive doll and her bear. She's been putting the diapers on the baby, but that was for them really. I haven't really bought anything for the baby. I just been sitting money to the side so that I can have money for the baby for sure in terms of everything I want to get, so that it's not like a surprise, because it can get pricey when you start getting things for the baby. I think that I'm going to start buying things probably in like October. So probably about 2 more months I'll start buying things for the baby. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to buy things. I think that I'm going to go for a neutral look anyway and a lot of elephants. So I think elephants is kind of going to be like the theme of everything I want to get. So like a gray and white, that kind of thing with the baby. But I'm very excited about buying things. But like I said, so I'm gonna wait like 2 months to be able to buy things for the baby. Now that I'm 21 weeks, I have the Baby Center app. Hopefully you guys have the Baby Center app. It's very helpful. I did it with all of my children, even down to like my 12-year-old. I did it for her too. And they just tell you like where you at. So they say I got 133 days left. Right now the baby is 10.5 inches and they weigh they weigh 12 3/4 ounces. And they say like when they talk about the baby, they saying that you may feel like the baby is doing martial arts. It may be like feel like your baby doing martial arts. Right now I can really feel like the baby is really picking up in terms of their weight, and then also too how strong they're getting. Because now I can, like, if I just sit still and the baby start kicking, I can see my belly move. Especially, and I can, Babe actually was able to feel it on the outside. Just once though. I think he was only able to feel it like one little kick. So that's exciting. But the baby is definitely getting bigger. The baby brows. So the baby brows are growing in right now. That's something that they saying that's happening. And they saying that I have a risk of, well, I'm actually have a greater risk of getting like spider veins. So just because I guess the increase of my hormones right now. But nothing too exciting this week at all. Just that the baby is getting bigger. The baby is about the size of a carrot. So that's exciting. Here it is here, you guys. So the baby is about the size of a carrot. And every week they tell you like different things that's going on with the baby. And then they also have different things like, look, we got new videos. I love the Baby Center app, you guys. Look, they have new videos. They have a new video where I can watch something about the baby. It's 1 minute and 48 seconds. And that's really exciting. I'm going to watch that with Babe so we can see the baby, where he at now. And then too, I can watch a birth. It's 8 minutes and 16 seconds where they're going to show for epidural. So if this is your first pregnancy, maybe you watching this because you're pregnant right now, get the Baby Center app. I'm telling you, it's going to be your best friend because you can talk. It's even a birth club on here. So everybody that's actually having their baby, like my due date is in January. Everybody that's actually having a baby in January, all of us can talk about where we're at right now with our experience. And they have a lot of TMI stuff on there. If you like me, I need to hear everything that's going on. Like, tell me what's going on with you. They have everything like that in there. But I definitely think you guys should get the Baby Center. But I'm so happy that I can finally just come out and just tell everybody that I am pregnant. So now when I do a video and I'm sitting down like this, I don't have to go from my Like breast up, I can literally make a full on video so you can see everything that's going on. But I'll definitely do an update with you guys next week Monday, and I'm going to do a closet clean out for those people that you know, you start gaining weight. You can't fit what you used to fit. Them little cute dresses you think that you got in before, you think you finna get in now, you can't do that anymore. So I'm gonna start cleaning all that stuff out my closet and put some stuff in there for like maternity, like my maternity clothes, like my dresses. Like this is a new dress that I bought for my maternity now because I think this is a large now. See, it's a little bigger than I would normally wear. But this, I feel better. I swear I feel better with clothes, just having bigger clothes that I can actually fit. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And let me know in the comments, like, what do you guys think I'm having so far? A boy, girl? Like, what do you guys think I'm having? And I'm going to make sure I have my baby live. I'm going to make sure I have my baby live so you guys can be able to see that. So hopefully you guys stick around. And I'll make sure I have a link so that if you guys want to know when I'm actually going live, I can send you that link because it's going to be live. Like, I'll be at home. Most likely, I thought I was going to do it in my bedroom because I have my bathroom with a nice huge tub where I can be in a tub if I decide to have a water birth this time. But I know for sure it's going to be live. So I'll make sure I have a link for you guys the next time if you want to get the notification when I actually had a baby. But right now, just subscribe. You guys will see it like that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys will get the notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.